I will show you how to create the viral TikTok video from scratch using the tips I share in this video. We're now using CapCut, a free video editing app. To get started, import two videos. First, screen record a clip from a YouTuber or streamer, and second, add a gameplay video from any video game of your choice. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, then position the video game clip below the YouTuber or streamer clip. Scale both clips so that each takes up roughly half of the screen, creating a balanced layout. Navigate to the text menu, choose Auto Caption, and click Generate. Next, select a text template and adjust the position of the text so that it stays between the two clips. Now let me show you how the example we just created looks.
Alright, let me explain why you're terrible. And I'll say this in the most friendly way possible. So, boom. He put a fuse cluster charge on the center of that window frame. Shoot! Just shoot and you get a kill. What rank is this? What rank is this? Is anyone drowning today?
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Drop any questions or video requests in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Now go out there and start creating your videos. See you in the next one.